Are you using ChatGPT and you're just really disappointed with the quality of the content that it's creating for you? Many business owners now are trying to use ChatGPT to create blog posts. And when you type in, write me a blog post on this particular topic, what comes back is not normally the highest quality of content. And the reason is because ChatGPT works in a way where if you put garbage in, you get garbage out, okay? And we have this thing called prompting in ChatGPT where you have to write the right prompt and educate the bot and tell it how to write the content and what to look for. And that's really good. But even when you do that, it still gives back content that you may not be happy with. And I want to show you how to solve that problem very quickly, very efficiently, and get high quality content from ChatGPT. So the way we do it is we actually record a video of us teaching the content. Now, why do we do that? Is because ChatGPT can't read your mind. It has billions of data points. And so when you say write a blog post on why a person needs physiotherapy, well, there's so much data it could use. It just goes out there and it kind of picks whatever it thinks is right, and then it writes a blog post. But when you look at it, you think to yourself, well, that's not very good, because you had, in your head, you had a direction you wanted it to go in, and it went in a different direction. So it's not a mind reader. And so it can't read your mind. But can it? It can, because what you do is you actually record a video of you teaching the content to a prospect. And so then you get a video, and then you can take the transcript of that video and you put it into ChatGPT and say, can you reword this blog post and write it so it's SEO compliant, and all the other prompts you want to put with it. But the moral of the story is, don't start with nothing. Start with a transcript. And the most powerful transcript is your voice. Why? Because it's your tone of voice. It's also your information, which makes it unique to you. And so when you're creating this content, always start with a video of you, like I am right now, looking at the camera, my webcam, and I'm teaching something to my audience, to my prospects. I then download that video. I can upload it to YouTube, and now I have a YouTube video in the second biggest search engine on the planet, which is which is YouTube. And then when I take the transcript, I get ChatGPT to rewrite into something much better than I could do. Then I upload that to my blog, and now I have a blog post in the biggest search engine on the planet, which is Google. And so I then take the YouTube video and embed that into the blog post. So the blog post has the written text and the YouTube video, and I get extra points from Google for doing that, because Google loves you to put YouTube videos in your website. And so there's many, many benefits to doing this, and I want to encourage you that don't start writing content in ChatGPT by saying, ChatGPT, you do all the hard work. Well, if you do, you won't get superior content. You'll just be like everyone else doing it. Do you think you're the only person doing that? Do you think that there's not millions of other business owners in your industry doing the exact same thing? And if everyone's doing the exact same thing, you are not going to stand out from the crowd. But the way to stand out is to use your unique content. Like if you're a physiotherapist, or if you're an accountant, or a solicitor, or a lawyer, or a business coach, or an IT professional, you have content that's unique to you based on your past experience. And when you teach that into video, it becomes your unique content, not some random bits and pieces of content that ChatGPT finds across the internet, that although it does well, it's not you, and it's not the highest quality. So I want to encourage you, that's the way you should approach it. Record video. I'm a firm believer that video is the key to most marketing strategies, because it's the quickest way for people to warm to you, to like you or dislike you, and decide whether they want to work with you. So if you need help with that, we have a whole program in our agency where we actually create all this content, not just a blog post. We create a whole bunch of things from one video just for you. It's 6 marketing campaigns. If you want to know more about it, book in a call. There's a link around this video, and I can show you how we turn a video and transform it into 6 marketing campaigns. Have a great day.